Painting can be a rewarding and enjoyable creative activity. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced artist, here are some basic steps to follow when approaching a painting. Choose your medium. Decide on the painting medium you want to work with. Common options include acrylics, oils, watercolors, or gouache. Each medium has its unique properties, so choose the one that suits your style and preferences. Select your surface. Choose the surface you'll paint on, such as canvas, paper, wood, or a specialized artboard. Make sure it is appropriately prepared for the medium you've chosen. Gather your supplies. Collect all the necessary painting supplies, including brushes, palette, paints, water or solvents, depending on the medium, easel, optional, and any other materials you might need. Plan your composition. Before starting, have a rough idea of what you want to paint. It could be a specific scene, object, or a still life arrangement. Sketch the basic outlines of your composition lightly with a pencil directly on the canvas or use a separate sketch pad. Mix your colors. If you're using acrylic or oil paints, set up your palette and mix the colors you need. Familiarize yourself with color theory to achieve the desired shades and tones. Thanks for watching. Watch the part 2 video.